I'm going to a university in London in around a month's time, and here is exactly step by step what I aim to learn and do before I get into the university. Before this, I want to tell you a bit about who I am. Around 2 years ago, I was really fat, I was quite stupid, I got quite bad grades, and it's a long story, but I couldn't read. And 2 years later, I got very good GCSEs, pretty good A levels, and I got into a very prestigious university in London. And also, I got jacked as well. I can show you my before and after physique here. And this channel deals with everything to do with productivity, improving your workflow and like being more productive, and also everything to do with fitness. So if you're interested in that, click on the subscribe button down below. First thing I plan to do before I get into university is to get lean. So I've seen a lot of people like they're getting lean, basically cutting body fat, like getting skinnier. In my opinion, every single person at this stage, like 1 month out from university, should be getting lean. I don't care if how much muscle you have, like you had the time to like build the muscle. I think right now, unless you actually have like if you're like 10% body fat, if you have visible abs, you should be cutting right now. You should be cutting body fat. Like I know some like people who are chubby right now, or like quite big right now. Maybe I'm being like fat phobic. Hopefully this video doesn't come off as like I'm talking in like a fitness wise, or like a fitness sentiment. But I know some very like chubby guys, or like fat guys who think they're bulking, or like they should bulk now. Now is not the time that you bulk. Now is not the time you build muscle. You want to go into university and make a good first impression, and in my opinion, you do that by being lean. Like you want to be like lean, like 6-pack abs, lean when you get into university. And the way you do that is by going on a carb. People could disagree with me here. Again, this is my like own perception, at least for my like body type. I've built up like quite a good amount of muscle, and I just want to cut like. I want to go into university lean, basically. I'll take about 2 to 3 months to really cut down, like lean, like 10% body fat. But like my first few months at university, I want to experience lean, and then I'm going to go on like a massive bulk and everything. But as soon as like my perception has always been, I want to enter university being low body fat. And if you don't know how to do this, like people who have tried to lose fat and have failed before, it's very easy. I may make a video on it in the future, but basically all you need to do is go on like a calorie counter app, calculate like your body weight and the amount of exercise you do per week, and then just eat that amount of calories consistently. I've been in this like fitness space for a long time now. I've tried to cut for a long time, but I've realized that the mindset you should have when you're cutting body fat isn't like a sprint. It should be like a longer marathon type thing where you incrementally decrease the amount of calories you have. For at least like for a person like me, I binge eat a lot. So like I'll go some days like eating a lower amount of calories, and then I'll randomly like eat like a lot of calories that will displace the progress I made. And what I realized is that like fat loss or like cutting shouldn't be hard. It shouldn't like actually require you to like actively use willpower to do. It should just be so easy that like you automatically lose fat, and that's the mindset I've seen. So what I'm doing right now is I'm on a slight deficit, but I'm doing that over a longer period of time, so then I can like not rebound the fat that I gain. But yeah, the first thing I'm doing before I get into university is to get lean, and because I've built up a pretty good frame like muscle wise. The only people that shouldn't be cutting right now are the people who are really like skinny. And even if you can't see your abs now, but you're a lower like percent body, like if you're a lower body weight for your height, that's when I think you should get back into the gym and like work in the gym, or like do some actual work in the gym. And then you can consider like lean bulking. But like for the majority of people, they're not like severely underweight, so you should just be getting like lean before you go into university. Second main thing that I'm developing before I go into university is I want to develop a consistent morning deep work routine. So I promote this a lot on my channel if you've seen this before. But in my opinion, I want to, like when I get into university, I want to do all of my work, like all of the hard work before anyone like even gets up. Like that's the goal I have. So my goal is, if I wake up at like 5:30 every single day and I do about 2 hours of work before everyone gets up, and if it's like deep concentrated work, I can literally do whatever I want for the rest of the day because I've done like the hardest work. And that in turn, because I'm only doing 2 hours of work in the morning, I'm prioritizing the things that matter. So I'm like 80-20 rule. I'm not gonna work on some random thing that doesn't matter if I only have 2 hours of work in the morning. So and that's like the skill I want to build right now. So what I'm doing is I have like another habit. So I've kind of fell off. I'm in I'm in India right now with my family. I'm in the motherland, in like the village. I'm what I plan to do when I get back home to the UK is I want to stick up like a habit tracker, and then when I first start like implementing like a deep work morning routine and getting up and like working, I acknowledge that I won't be consistent like through and throughout. However, eventually, like 1 to 2 weeks, I should get back into the flow of things, and I should wake up every single day, start doing deep work, and just develop that habit before I get into university. So those two things are the main ones. I want to get like really lean, like get into shape before I get into university, and also develop a very really solid deep work routine, so I know that as soon as I get into university, I literally have the entire day to myself, because I do the most essential tasks in the morning. The third thing I want to do is I want to get more like social before I get into university. So I know a lot of people have this in the back of their mind, but no one says this out loud. But I'm like the only person I know that's saying this out loud. But basically, before I get into university, I want to like become more social, or do like more social things. So I'm in India right now. I can't really do anything now, but like every single day, as long as I get my work done in the morning, I'm just planning something social to do later on in the afternoon. So like it just develops your social skills before you get into university. So a lot of people have this where you're going to university to become more social, like if you kind of get that. But like I have the further mass brain, so I have like the analytical brain, but like I want to like be as social as possible before I go into university. So as soon as I get into university, like I'm really social, and like I have friends and everything. But like the way I'm doing this as well is I'm joining like the freshers group chats beforehand, like everything, like all of the like societies and everything, and you make friends before you go into university for your university. So then as soon as you get there, you already have friends, kind of. Like if you kind of get what I mean, like that's the mindset I have. So I've been talking to a lot of people on Instagram. I've been talking to a lot of people on WhatsApp, and basically like things that I go to often, such as kickboxing, like the boxing club in my university, the gym near me. I've just been contacting people and trying to just become friends with them and be more social, so that as soon as I get into university, I have a friend group there before I even start. So those are the three main things. I'm not really going to go over like I need to buy like cutlery and stuff, and like I need to buy clothes for my university, but like those main three things I think everyone should do, and also like I'm going to do before I get into university. So those are: get lean, like get into the best shape of your life before going to university, at least for me. Develop like a morning routine, deep work habit where you wake up every single day and do like a concentrated block of revision, and also just become more social and get a friend group before you go into university. But yeah, like I'm gassed for university. I'm pretty excited, and like truth be told, like a lot of stuff has happened to me this summer, like a lot of like bad stuff. So it's good to see like have a change in like my environment, and I genuinely am like actually like happy to go to university. So hopefully if you follow this guide, you also get these three like goals before you get into university. In my opinion, that's like the best position you can have before you go in and enter your course. Maybe I'll make another video about this, but like I am scared about the next 3 years. I don't really know, like I'm having a bit of an existential crisis. I don't know what the next 3 years will hold, but if I develop these 3 habits, I think it will position myself for best possible like life I can lead at university, is if I enter the course with these 3 things. So if you, I know this has been like kind of a weird video. I don't really make these kinds of videos on my channel that often, but if you want to see more videos on productivity and fitness, click on the subscribe button, share this video to someone who's going to university, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.